Good afternoon, everybody. In the next 10 minutes, I will try to contribute on this topic. Is further market coupling on the right track? First of all, I would like to stress three main steps as a follow-up of energy packages in Croatia. As you can see, last step was establishing on HOPS. It is Croatian Transmission System Operator, 2012 and 2013. New Electricity Market Act, aligned with EU third package, come in force this year on 2nd March. HOPS, it is abbreviation for Hrvatski operator prijenosnog sustava, in English, Croatian Transmission System Operator. National TSO has the license to carry out as similar companies as a public service in the charge of operation, maintenance, and development of transmission grid and the control of Croatian power system. We established and registered with the commercial card in Zagreb on firstly on March 2005. It was old name, HEP Operator prijenosnog sustava, and this year on 2nd July it was transformed into HOPS according to new Electricity Market Act with transfer of assets to HOPS. It is something new and very important for us. Number of employees today is 1,013 in our company. Main legal obligation for HOPS, in according to European directive, of course, and our national laws, is transformation with the transfer of assets according to ITO model. We performed this transformation. In processing is ITO certification by Croatian Energy Regulatory Agency. It is very strong and long process. The process of updating completion of bylaws documents is very important for internal electricity market in Croatia and with neighboring countries. Renewable energy sources integration, it is obligation of all TSO, and so for us too. Establishment and development of Croatian Power Exchange together with HROTE, you will hear about that in the next presentation, and the realization, some type of market coupling. On this picture you can see Croatian electricity system and the main data about our system. We are a small system with peak load and 3,193 megawatts. One of the specific characteristics of our system is a high share of hydropower plants, as you can heard previously in presentation my colleague Mr. Jukic. The share of other renewable energy sources is not so big, 4%, mainly wind power. As you can see, our network line length is about 7,500 kilometers, different voltage line, and installed transformer capacities is close 14,000 megawatt amperes. On this picture, you can see interesting ratio between interconnection capacities and the peak loads, and interconnection capacities and production capacities. And you can see Croatia has very favorable ratio, and it is very important for import and export electricity in our country. This scheme shows European perspective of Croatian transmission grid, and as you can see, our position is specific in central part of Southeast Europe, and we have a significant role in electricity transmission and exchange in the region. This is current situation and overview of present capacity allocation at Croatian borders. As you can see, you can heard before, on our borders, we have this type of capacity allocation, as you can see 5 minutes before. On the border with Slovenia and Hungary, we use the service by TSO, as we heard before, and on the different other borders, you can see the situation with unilateral auctions with neighboring countries, as you can see here. Further development and transition of capacity allocation at Croatian borders, it is in line with the EU target, as you can see before on the scheme. And of course, our targets is the same, but steps toward the final target I accept in order to terms from European legislative. This is a known scheme of realized market coupling projects in the European Union, including our countries, and of course, in the next future, we will join some of them. This is, on this picture, we can see market coupling projects and power exchange in the region and the situation in countries in the region. It may be some words towards Croatian power exchange. It will be with more detail in next presentation, but some steps from the past finished in September, for example, September 2011. HEP TSO, it's old name of the company. Croatia, LS, and BSP signed the document. In order to Electricity Market Act, Croatian operator of transmission system together with Croatia are responsible for establishment of electricity market in Croatia. It's a very serious task, and in the next future we will try to establish electricity market in Croatia. Due to current circumstances, our colleagues from Croatia took lead in preparatory activities, while HOPS focused on ITO certification. As I said before, it is a very serious task for us in this moment. The agreement on business cooperation and establishment of Croatian Power Exchange signed this month, on 7th November, between HOPS and Croatia, and in this document we outline next steps in preparatory and design phase towards implementation. As I said before, in the next presentation you will see more detail about this project. And finally, I would like to stress that HOPS is a commitment to establish Croatian PECs not only as precondition for market coupling and alignment with EU target model, but also important point in further Croatian and cross-border market development for the benefit of Croatian customers, especially directly and indirectly, because HOPS procurement of electricity for covering transmission losses and certain ancillary services is very important for us.
Thank you for the presentation. I wanted to ask a question, just only one. I was interested, why did you challenge the market coupling in the name of your presentation? What was your main reason? You challenged, you said, are we on the right track? So,
yes.
Why?
I believe that we are on the good track, because market coupling is one of the chance for transmission system operator to receive a better condition for procurement energy for ancillary services and our needs on the market.